How to fix Xiaomi 15 screen flickering issue. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For start your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that. And then swipe up to power off your device and then turn on your device again. And after that, open settings. In settings, you can see the option display and brightness. Now click on it. Now here you can turn off your automatic brightness. After turn off your automatic brightness, then go back and click on apps and then click on manage apps. Now on top right corner you can see these three dots. Now click on it and then click on other settings. And here you can see the option reset app preferences. Now click on it and then click on reset apps. After reset the app preferences, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.